Once the video is downloaded, we can check the activity on our browser. So here it is. It was just downloaded a while ago.
Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, Biaca, Torogi Venture. This video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to download the Facebook video in your Android phone without using any video downloader application. For those who doesn't know me, I am Kevin Biaca. I am a civil engineer based here in the Philippines and I am an Igorot. If you are new here to my channel, kindly please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be updated whenever I post it. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, first thing to do is to look for the video that we want to download. Open your Facebook application and look for the video that we want to download. So for example, this video is what we want to download. You can see at the upper right of the video, the three dots. Just click on it and several options will appear. Click on copy link. Once the video link was copied, exit at our Facebook application and open our Google browser. At the search box, paste the link that we had copied and click enter. This step directs you to your Facebook account. Oops, make sure that you had already logged into your Facebook at Google browser. Once you are logged in, this is how it shows. Next step is to edit our link by just adding the word basic. So at the top, add the word basic besides M of our link and click enter. This step directs you to the final version of Facebook, where we can see a download option that allows us to download the video. Play the video. And then you can see the three dots below. Just click on it. The download option will appear. Tap the download option so that the video is about to download. It takes time to download our video depending how big our file is and of course your internet connection. Once the video is downloaded, we can check the activity on our browser. So here it is. It was just downloaded a while ago. So let's try to play on it. Looks good. We can check our download folder on our gallery if it's really downloaded. So here it is. Let's play on it.
虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっともう戻れなくたって忘れないで
There you have it. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video only here at Biaca, Torogi Venture.